Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 110 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this NYX Nude on Nude palette. I actually got this palette from my mom for Mother's Day and she's letting me try it out for a video. So I get to test it out first. Such a nice mom. I actually found this at TJ Maxx for $20. Which is still kind of pricey for a palette. But wait until you see all that this comes with. So here you have 20 different kind of smoky nude shades, but then it also has 10 lip gloss shades. So I think I counted 8 matte shadows, and then you have 12 shimmery. Some have some more sparkle to them, some look a little bit more metallic. It only looks like 2 of the lip glosses have sparkle in them. The rest seem to just kind of have a tint and some shine to them. It also comes with a little eyeshadow applicator and a lip gloss applicator. Let's start out with the eyeshadow. I'm not seeing any shade names. Oh, there's also a mirror on top. I'll swatch a few of them. Let's start out with this pure white shade. It's matte. Maybe I'll try this goldy shade, this matte taupe, then I want to try this darkest shade. This looks kind of like a metallic. Yes, some really great pigment. The lighter shades definitely don't have as much pigment and they feel a little bit chalky. The darker and shimmery shades are very nicely pigmented. Next, let's see the pigment on some of these lip glosses. Start out with the very sparkly light one. Ooh. Ooh, I definitely dipped my finger in a little too hard. There's a lot of product that comes off easily. This one. Ooh, wow. Ooh. Wow, some really nice pigment from those swatches. And those lip glosses were so soft. Like, I feel like lip gloss palettes like that can tend to be really hard and hard to take out a lot of product, but wow, just touching that slightly, a lot of lip gloss comes off. I'm gonna go ahead and do an eye look. As far as a matte transition shade, I'm really only seeing this taupe color as an option. So I guess I'll go with that. That was actually pretty nice. I like that. Let's deepen up the crease. It is a little tough because I'm like, the next kind of deep shade is like very dark. We'll go in with this shade here. This is slightly metallic looking. Oh gosh. Okay, so far I'm really liking how these are blending and I'm really liking how they're looking. Let's deepen up the outer corner using this dark brown with some gold shimmer in it. Pretty. And then to finish off the lid, this shimmery nude shade is really speaking to me. I'm gonna apply it with my finger to try and get some better pigmentation. Okay, so that definitely didn't apply as pigmented as I'd hoped. I'm really not having any kickback though, or fallout, so that's nice. I should also just add a little bit to the lower lash line. I'll go in with that. Maybe I'll change it up. Let's go in with this kind of gray shade on my lower lash line. Wow, I'm really liking that gray shade. That might be my favorite that I tried so far. So that completes a quick and easy bronzy smoky eye that I was able to achieve. Now let's just finish the look off using one of the lip glosses. I think I'm going to go in with this second shade here. This looks like a pretty pink. okay. The lip gloss was very quick and easy to apply. It's not nearly as pigmented as I was expecting. It's very sheer, but it does add a nice touch of color, a little bit of sheen to my lips. It's not even super shiny, but it feels very comfortable, very moisturizing on my dry lips. So I love that there are so many different looks you can create with this palette. So by doing a red lip, that could totally change up this entire look, even if I have the same eyeshadow. So I love how much this palette comes with, even if it's not the best eyeshadow and the best lip gloss I've ever used. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.